Blooming! Parang nakakailang performance na tayo, blooming pa rin kayo Bakit kaya?
Lalo ka na.
Bakit? Ikaw ang pinaka-blooming dito. Ikaw blooming ka kaya?
Si Joe ang pinaka-blooming.
Oo naman, talaga.
Sobrang blooming niya sa suot niya ngayon, guys.
Pakita nga. Sample nga. Anong itsura niyan? Show it. Rampa ka. Go. Hindi, gusto niya. I-flaunt mo naman yung
Yan, may character ka.
Sige, doon ka pa. Doon ka na. Sige, go.
Blooming nga. Siyempre, grabe guys. Napansin niyo ba yung hair namin? Di ba sobrang ganda? Look, they ready.
Yeah, tama.
Grabe kayo, may sinasabi ako.
Grabe kayo.
Ayoko na magsalita.
Grabe
Yung boses na to.
Kaya si Stax.
Hair flip. May susuyuin pa kayo pagtapos ng concert na to.
Ano? Stacy!
Let's go, princess! I-flaunt mo yung hair mo.
Dali.
Flaunt it, girl.
Sa pa nga, ghosting.
With matching hair flip sa dulo.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go!
Rampa!
Yeah! Wow!
It's Stacy's world.
Ganda mo!
Stop! Dati Jo.
Joanna!
Tama na, nakaisa na ako. Go, Ate Aya.
Yes! Guys! Our hair talaga is always looking ready. Thank you so much. I said that's the power of Sunsilk.
Andito na ang sundo. Saan kaya patungo? Kasama ang hair ka na walang makakapit sa atin. Sama ka, hair up again, face on. Hair top of time for fun. Dance present angles, walang drama doon. Kung ito na ang problema, we've got an idea. Hair kare, lukay mo, Sunsilk, Sunsilk. You're beautiful as ever. We're all shining brighter. Gandang lukay, ready together. Pag lagi may Sunsilk, you're a hair turner. Hair kare, lukay mo. Tara sabayan mo ako. May smooth, ay bango, nakakagigil. Pag lagi Sunsilk ang gamit mo. Hair kare, lukay mo. Ibang bawal pag nilukay mo. Pag lagi may Sunsilk, gandang lukay, ready lahat tayo. In 1, 2, 3, ilukay mo, Sunsilk.
Lights, camera, ilugay mo. Going all out on our days out. From the runways to the highways. You got rinse when you can't feel frizz.
Let your hair down, you're going to shine. Go on, girl, hair's looking fine. Lugay, ready po ang hair, gada. May smooth hair na may bango, nakakagigil pa. Pag laging may Sunsilk, girl, maganda ka, ilugay mo. Ilugay mo! Ilugay mo! Sabayan mo ako. May smooth hair, bango, nakakagigil. Pag laging Sunsilk ang gamit. Ilugay mo, ibang bawal pag ilugay mo. Pag laging may Sunsilk, gandang lugay, ready lahat tayo. In 1, 2, 3, ilugay mo, Sunsilk.
Yes! Mga hair kada, kung na-enjoy niyo po yun, wait lang kayo dyan. Dahil marami pa kami mga pasabog na mga performances later, kaya thank you, Sunsilk!
Yes, thank you to all the brands who continue to support us. And since we are Beanie, we are here to show our gratitude through our songs. So maraming salamat po to our sponsors!
Woo! This is it!
Gusto namin magpasalamat, you thanks sa lahat ng sponsors. We are grateful. Beanie ay nagpapasalamat, you thank you. Our hearts are full, Beanie hearts are full. Presented by Coke Studio. Sa Coke Studio, magkantahan tayo. So presented by Energy Plus. All new best ever Energy Plus.
shopping lang.
Salamat, we thank you. From the bottom of our beating heart to thank you. Salamat, we thank you. The best kayo, mga mahal namin. Sponsors ng Biniverse. Brought to you by I Am Worldwide Amazing. Choco Barley, energize your day with I Am Worldwide Amazing Choco Barley. Also presented by Payless. Ang wais susunod para sa aking pamilya. Special thanks to Peach Care, care for every girl. Salamat, we thank you. From the bottom of our beating hearts we thank you. Salamat, we thank you. The best kayo, mga mahal namin. Sponsors ng Biniverse.
Thank you so much, guys, kasi ang dami nagtutrust namin ng mga brands. That's why we have so many reasons to be grateful for.
Yes, maraming salamat po. Isa pang gusto naming pasalamatan ay ang lahat ng nakinig at sumuporta sa newest single namin na Blink Twice na na-release just 2 days ago. Nagustuhan niyo ba?
Grabe! Naka 1 million views tayo in just 11 hours. Tama ba?
Yes,
Wow.
less than 12 hours.
Less than 12 hours!
Okay. Wait lang, may tanong ako.
Oh.
Sino dito yung Team Naughty? Ah! Sino dito yung Team Naughty? Kate Jo!
Uy!
Sino dito yung Team Nice?
Sige, ganito na lang. Sumigaw ang Team Naughties. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Team Naughty! Team Nice!
Mas madaming nice.
Hindi sila naughty.
Madaming nice. Good naman yan.
Okay.
Yes, so are you ready?
Yeah.
First time nilang mapapanood yung Cory.
Dahil nagustuhan nyo, may pa-little something kami for tonight. Watch this!
Yung Cory.
Watch this.
Okay, let's go.
Bye.
I heard you like confidence. Well, I've got a lot of it. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. But let's have some fun with it, 'cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're tryna roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me. I'm at this spot, baby, tell me, are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like that-oo, that-oo, that-oo. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. If you really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. let it go. So baby, it's common sense. Just don't be anonymous. I heard that you've been busy, yeah, I heard it through the grapevine. Trying my best not to step upon your landmine, but let's have some fun with it, 'cause you know I'm running it. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world, you got that symphony. Like da-da-da-da-da. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Baby, add a little spice. You tryna roll the dice? Let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's not even thinking about me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, he's just looking at me.
Got me going crazy, baby, no, don't be lazy. Come over and chase me, yeah, you better amaze me.
I'm at this spot, big time. Are you ready or not? Don't you leave me waiting. Ooh, I'm lost inside your world. You got that symphony. Like da-da-da-da-da. If you like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's not even thinking about me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, he's just looking at me. You really like me, baby, then just blink twice. If you really like me, then you gotta roll the dice. You like me, blink twice. Are you naughty or nice? Maybe add a little spice. If you're trying to roll the dice, let me give you some advice. If you like me, blink twice. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's not even thinking about me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, he's just looking at me. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's not even thinking about me. Ooh, 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 ooh. Baby, he's just looking at me. Baby, he's just looking at me.
And that was our first ever performance, live performance of Blink Twice! A gift with a little spice for you all, di ba? So yan.
Kalmado, no? Very chill yung vibe. Parang pinsan siya ng cherry on top.
So, nako, available na po yan sa favorite streaming platforms nyo. Nako, maraming salamat dahil #1 trending in the Philippines ang Blink Twice sa YouTube Music. Thank you!
Grabe. Pero hindi lang dito sa Pinas, of course, dahil trending din ang Blink Twice sa Qatar, UAE, New Zealand, Singapore, Kuwait, Canada, and worldwide. Hello sa mga nanonood there! Ang konyo. Okay. Yes, and top song din ng Blink Twice sa iTunes. #1 in the Philippines, UAE, Singapore, and Qatar.
Yes, dahil sa streams nyo, feature din ang Blink Twice sa Spotify's New Music Friday playlist here in the Philippines, Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, Korea, Japan, and Malaysia.
Yes, kasama rin ang Blink Twice sa New Music Friday Singapore, Taiwan, Hong Kong, and India. Umabot na rin tayo sa Northern Europe. New Music Friday Norway, New Music Friday Suomi, and New Music Friday Denmark. Grabe, sana lahat ng nabanggit ko mapuntahan namin soon.
From the Philippines to Asia to Northern Europe to United States, Blink Twice is #21 in Amazon Music Breakthrough Pop List in the US. Wow!
Wow! Okay, we just want to say thank you so much. We feel the love talaga. And keep streaming Blink Twice hanggang ma-LSS kayo.
Yes, and syempre, bago pong matapos yung gabing to, gusto lang po namin pasalamatan ang lahat ng nandito po ngayon. Gusto ko rin pong pasalamatan yung family ko, my Burgos and Robles family. Hello po, nandito rin si Ishi and Gian.
Ako naman, I'd like to say hi to my family from Cebu. Andito po sila. To my family and friends who are here, hello, thank you so much for being here and for supporting all of us po.
Yes, ako rin po, my family is here. I think nandun sila banda. Yes, hello sa inyo. And yung friends ko, si Ate Charlene and Doc, nanonood sila. And si Kuya, kapatid ni Ate Charlene. Nasaan pa sila? Hello! Thank you.
Yes, for me, andito po yung family ko, the Katakutan family. Ama! Stand up! Ama! Ama, stand up!
Ama,
where are you? Ama? Hello?
Ama.
Ama?
Ama.
Ama! Okay. Ama,
come here daw.
Bakit, and my friends from Isabela. And also, I have some of my friends here. Thank you po for coming.
Ako na, no? Nandito din ang family ko. Lumipad sila dito, natural. My friends din, Kissy, hi. I think nandito din si Ollie, Air, hi Air, and Nicole, and Ange, and sino pa mga friends ko dyan? Hi, sino pa? Thank you.
Taray.
Wow. Yeah, my family is here. Andun sila. Ricalde family, hello. Woo! To my friends, Ishi nandito, si Gian, syempre, Jed, si Kim, si Yani, Jao, and of course, andito si Ate Pat and Ate Agnes ng Ben and Ben. Thank you po. Asa
Very
sila?
supportive.
Thank you. Mwah.
And ako naman po, I'd like to say thank you to my parents who came from Bicol, to my sister, to the Lim family, Himenea family, and to my friends. Yeah.
Hello, ako naman. My family and friends are also here. Hi to Blackpink Lisa, Rose, Jenny, and Jisoo. Hello!
Ako din, yung ka-GM ko, si Maring Mina. Hello.
What? Boys! Ate
GM.
Gio, Ate Sana, see you soon.
kapitbahay lang.
Alright, one sa Ate Aya.
Sorry, parang tropa nyo ah.
Ano ba, GM? Group message dati. Ano nga ganun?
Oh, GM. Grabe, Ate Aya.
Oh, I had that.
Uy, wait lang. Alam niyo ba, nanonood ako ng concert ng Twice, nandyan ako, as in. Ngayon ako na yung nagpo-perform dito. Here. Dito.
Grabe, no? Pero syempre, maraming salamat din po sa ABS-CBN and our leaders who are in the audience now. Kumpleto sila dyan, na patuloy po na nagtitiwala at naniniwala po sa amin. Thank you for allowing us to be us. Sir Mark Lopez, Sir Carlo Katigbak, Tita Cory Vidanes, Sir Jamie Lopez, Sir Roxy Likigan, at sa aming tatay, Direk Loren Jogi!
Of course, ang Beanie Management, and sa buong Team Beanie, Mami Jo, Miss MQ, Sir Ron, Ate Jovi, Kuya Nelson, Ate Maan, Kuya Lester, and Kuya Islao! Belated happy birthday, Kuya Islao!
Yes, sa aming coaches, our vocal coach, Coach Anna, our dance choreographers for this concert, Coach Matthew and Coach Reden, to our besties, yung mga dancers po namin for tonight, to our band headed by our musical director, Sir Ray Cantong, our orchestra of the youth, Filipino youth, and kay Maki na nag-perform kanina. Maraming salamat. At hindi lang siya OPM artist na nandito, guys. Ate Moira De La Torre is also here. Thank you for the support. Where is she? Ate Moira. Thank you. Ay, kala ko ikaw.
Moira lookalike.
Thank you also to our visual director, Ate Aika Villanueva, and to our whole glam team. Yes.
Love you, Ate Ikes!
Hello po. To the technical team, audio, lights, camera, LED, to our marshals and security, thank you so much.
We'd also like to thank our live stream director, Direct J. Cleo Bermudez. Special shout out to our concert directors, Direct John Moll. And syempre, concert director na, performance director pa, Coach Mickey Pert!
Yes! And sa lahat ng songwriters who shared their talents with us and Yumi Us for our wonderful music videos, and to the staff and crew of Beanieverse World Tour 2025, maraming salamat po.
Yes, nandito Yumi Us! Hindi ko lang alam kung
Where?
Oh, asan kayo?
Thank you, Yumi Us!
Hello, thank you po. Thank you also to our ABS-CBN Events family, Star Music family, Star Magic family, Global and TFC family, Digital Management Division, and to the entertainment group of ABS-CBN. Thank you po.
There's really so many people to thank because there's just so many people then who have helped us to be where we are right now.
Yes, and dati pangarap, etong audience na to, pangarap lang namin to. Actually, nakapag-perform na kami dito sa kabila nito, yung Philippine Sports Stadium, di ba? Nakapag-perform kami doon, tapos, syempre, nung nag-perform kami, maraming pumapalakpak, pero hindi nila alam yung mga kanta natin, hindi nila alam kung sino tayo. Pero ngayon,
Hindi coconut nut.
pero ngayon, di ba, lahat to blooms na puno natin ng Philippine Arena.
Grabe.
Yes. Okay. At dahil dyan, meron kasi akong nasabi sa interview before na merong inedit si Miss MQ Malyari, our manager, na ever since, eto yung wallpaper niya, inedit niya yung group photo natin. Until now, inedit niya yung group photo natin, tapos kumuha lang siya ng random picture ng audience sa likod. Pwede po bang i-flash yun, direct? Thank you! Yan!
Grabe, ang realistic.
Ang realistic!
Ayaw ko totoo.
Galing mo
Ang
mag-edit.
linaw din. Sobrang
Meron pa mga stuffed toys sa gilid, oh.
Sobrang cute naman ni Mick.
Anong year to? Anong year to?
Year of the
2019.
Dragon. Year of...
Ano mo?
2021?
2020.
2020.
2020. Mayroon na akong bangs dyan eh.
5 years
short hair
ago.
na ako. That's the proof. Beanie Bear nandun din. Okay. O, trivia time. Alam nyo ba na lahat ng damit namin dyan, hiram lang kay Miss Crane, di ba? At sa wife ni Coach Mickey na si Miss Gian.
Thank you po.
Hiniram lang namin yan kasi wala pa kaming damit eh.
Wala pa tayong stylist nun.
Wala pa akong stylist. Kaya kami lang nag-ayos sa sarili namin.
Nana ko yan.
Humble beginnings.
Kasi even before pa, ang dami na talagang tumulong sa atin out of passion and love, and because of that, we are truly grateful po for everyone, to everyone.
Yeah, and after that pictorial, inedit kami with that background. We have always dreamt that one day maging totoo ang picture na yan, and today is that day, right?
Ano, that's right. Grabe, no? That's the, talaga, power of believing in your dreams and in God's perfect time.
Ay, may ubo.
Kasama ko.
And why not? Wait lang, why not gawin natin to para naman mabago na yung wallpaper ni Miss MQ, di ba? Gawin natin siya.
She's crying.
For real.
Dapat ganyan look din.
Hindi, dito tayo nakaharap. So, dito
So,
yung
wait
left
lang.
side.
Wag mo siya i-mirror.
Mirror ba? Mas
Hindi.
sobrang ano naman ng...
Yeah, you're here. Bebe, you're there. And then, Ate Jo.
Dapat pati yung pose at hairstyle.
Pati yung pose. Tao nga, dapat pati pose. Guys, pati yung smile.
Yung post, smart everything.
Wait. Raise your light stick, guys. Come on. Pati ulo dapat tama. Ulo, katawan, daliri. Normal naman.
Normal.
Okay, one more.
Raise your light sticks, please! This is history! Wow! Wow! Oh, 1, 2, 3, go!
Yes! 8 hanggang dulo!
Ano tayo? Sign. Ay, joke lang.
Pwedeng OA na pose? Sexy pose. Sexy pose. Sexy. Wow.
Ayos nag-pictorial kami.
Hoy, ayusin mo yan.
Okay, thank you!
Pwedeng pa-solo po ako.
Ay! Pwede solo-solo?
Pwede solo, pang pose lang.
Wait lang ah!
Wait.
Minsan lang to eh. Alis! Second! Third! Second ako.
Last na ako.
Tama na. Uy, dito ka.
Tama na, bawal.
Tama na.
Okay, eto na nga. Wait lang.
Seryoso daw siya.
At dahil malapit na tayo...
Philippine Arena.
At dahil malapit na tayo matapos, can we just take this time para pa-thank youhan yung Blooms natin? All for the Blooms lang, tong moment na to. Blooms, thank you so... Isa-isa tayo, ah.
Ikaw na lang.
Ano lang tayo mag-start? Maubusan kami.
Thank you so much, Blooms. Pwede palitan ng nakakaiyak na kanta po para mas feel. Sorry.
Hi guys! Girls, congratulations! May sino yung Ako yun. Hello, hello, hello guys! Congratulations, Beanie! Palakpakan naman natin ang Beanie! Grabe, dati minamanifest nyo lang to. At ngayon, nagkatotoo na. Kita niyo yung mukha ng Beanie, gulat na gulat sila kasi hindi nila alam tong part na to. We actually have a surprise for all of you. Uulitin natin yung concert from the top.
Oh! Rehearsal lang pala yun.
Joke lang, joke lang. Uy, game sila, oh. Walang uwian. And actually, we have prepared something special for you. And that is something that a few very important people will be announcing right now. So may we call on Billboard Philippines representatives, publisher Miss Anne Bernisca, and Chief of Editorial Content Brett Jackson to share the good news with you girls. Hi Miss Anne, hi Brett.
Hello, girls. It's great to see you again.
Hello po.
Good evening po. Wow, may pagaling.
Congratulations
God.
sa inyong lahat and all of the Blooms. Sold out ang Philippine Arena. And tonight, we have something special to present to all of you. So on behalf of Billboard Philippines, we would like to present the certificate to you girls in recognition for being the Philippines #1 top artist of 2024. Beanie is Billboard Philippines #1 artist for the Hot 100 and the Philippines Top Songs charts. And not only that, we would also like to congratulate you again, not only for dominating our charts, the Billboard Philippines charts, but also for being the representative of the first ever Billboard Global #1 series. So you represented Filipino music very well across the globe, and you made the country very proud. Congratulations.
What's so truly important about this is that the Global #1 campaign featured artists, the #1 artists from around the world from each country. Beanie is the #1 artist in the country for the Philippines, and you represented us so very well. So thank you. Thank you for that. Philippine Arena, are you excited to see Beanie reach new heights? Make some noise. Thank you for your incredible contributions to the Philippine music industry. Mabuhay kayo. Mabuhay ang OPM.